Hey guys, welcome to my channel. मेरा नाम है सैयद अम्मार अहमद. खुशामदीद कहते हैं आपको GFX Mafia में. In today's video, we are going to explore what is Metaverse. The Metaverse is a shared virtual environment that people access via the internet. You will be walking through it via connected headset or glasses. Metaverse is a digital space. In other words, it is a digital world with real people represented by digital objects. It is a combination of multiple elements of technology including virtual reality and augmented reality, where users live within a digital universe. Think of a video game. The player controls a character on the screen with the help of commands and buttons. Now what if instead of sitting at the console and watching the game on the screen, the player could be inside the game, participating not from the outside but as a character embedded in it. Facebook defines the Metaverse as a set of virtual spaces where you can create and explore with other people who are not in the same physical space as you. The tech giant firm known as Facebook has already made significant investment in virtual reality, including the 2014 acquisition of Oculus. In Metaverse, you will be able to do almost anything you can imagine, get together with friends and family, work, learn, play, shop, create, as well as completely new experiences that don't really fit how we think about computers or phones today. Recent advances in virtual reality have enabled users to truly embody their fantastical avatars, seeing through their virtual eyes and using hand-tracking controllers to gesture and interact with the virtual items. The world's biggest fashion companies have also experimented with making virtual clothing which people's avatar can wear in Metaverse environment. Facebook is not only company building a Metaverse, here are other companies rivaling Meta. For now, everything is in the early stages. However, there is a huge amount of excitement about the Metaverse among wealthy investors and big tech firms.